So you want me to show you how I make a beat battle beat, huh? You want to know all my little battle secrets in the YouTube video? Okay, I'll spill the beans. But if I tell you, you sure you got the to actually do something with it? To me, beat battle beats represent the highest levels of creativity for music producers.
You lose. Perfect.
Producer versus producer with only 1 minute on the clock to showcase the best beats that you got. This is like a sport for us. For some producers, we welcome that challenge and we rise to the occasion. But for others, they are literally clueless on how to make a worthwhile impression in such a short period of time. One thing I can tell you about beat battles though, it's all about making a solid, unforgettable first impression. But to do that, you gotta do something so memorable, something that'll make the judges literally go crazy as soon as the beat comes on.
Come right. Come right.
My secret sauce for beat battles has always been my ability to flip samples into the unthinkable. Yo, what if I sample Stone Cold Steve Austin's classic entrance music? That'd be kind of crazy, right? Nah, that sounds cool, but it's been done before. Yeah. But if you do it for a beat battle, you know you gotta put a unique spin on it. What if I flip Stone Cold Steve Austin's classic entrance music into a drill beat? Not bad. It's a little different, right? But can you actually do it? Come on.
And that's the bottom line.
For a beat battle beat, the first thing that I need to do is find the most recognizable parts of the sample and pull those out first.
Come right. Come right. Come right.
Next thing I gotta do is lay down some really basic drill drums just to make sure that I can fit the sample with those patterns. With beat battle beats, sound selection is so key. Like, you gotta make sure you find sounds that really cut through the mix. I spend about 70% of my time on beat battle beats just with good sound selection. The other 30% is mixing. Here are the chops. I need to really let that sample chop breathe because people are gonna know exactly where that's from as soon as they hear it. So here are the final chops. Now, as much as I like that, I know that those sample chops can get really, really repetitive after a few loops. And in a minute, you gotta make sure that you make every loop count. So what I think I'm gonna do is take this sample, consolidate it down, turn it into a waveform, go up 12 semitones,
and pitch it up an octave.
So this is what it'll sound like now. And of course, you know I gotta add the drill style 808s to this beat. It's just begging for it. And yo, shout out to my subscriber 808 Ross. He told me to use longer 808s for this style of drill. This is the pattern that I ended up coming up with for it. Lastly, you know I gotta add some random ass sound effects from Splice. And at last, the final beat. hopefully that was helpful to you, and I hope you kill it in your next beat battle. If you need any help from me, well, I just dropped a new course that shows you how to kick your opponents in your next beat battle. It's called the Beat Battle Playbook. The link's down there. Right there. Peace.